So you're researching how to make a soursop juice. Well, you're at the right place. Welcome to Cocktails Jamaica, and I'm Randy Thomas, and I will be right back. So today we're making a soursop juice, and if you're interested in other drink recipes, please subscribe, and if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell. However, I'll be adding my twist to this drink, so please comment below if this video helped you out, and also comment how you do your soursop drink. Alright guys, so many persons may not be familiar with soursop. Otherwise, most persons know it as Graviola. Yes, it's a fruit, and why the name soursop, my belief is because there's another fruit called Sweetening, and this fruit has more of a sour taste, which is the Graviola, so I guess hence the name soursop. So the fruit has a greenish yellow color, it has a prickly skin, the texture is creamy. Some persons might argue and say it tastes of a combination of pineapple and strawberries. To me, it tastes totally different, but let's work with that. This fruit is very versatile. In Jamaica, we use it for tea. We use the leaves for tea. Some persons use it in cooking. So some persons use it as dessert. For example, ice cream. It has a medicinal purpose to it. So some say it's good for killing cancer cells. It's good for relaxing the nerves. And also guys, what I think pair well with this drink, like what I'm going to use today, like beetroot, carrot. If you don't want to add these ingredients, you can just lime and sugar. If you're gonna add alcohol, you can always use the good old Ray rum or tequila. Alright guys, so let's get right into the drink. Oh, you may not need a blender for this drink, but today I'm going to use one because of some of the ingredients that I'm using. So, all if light gone at your house, don't worry about it. You can make this drink, and you can always use a grater instead of a blender. So let's go. Alright guys, so even though this drink is not necessarily a blended drink, I am going to use blender because of these ingredients, meaning the beetroot and the carrot. Alright, so carrot in, and that is just one carrot. I cut that up with one beetroot. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this to the side. Alright, not ready to blend that as yet. And now it's time for the soursop. And when it comes on to this drink, ensure you wash your hands thoroughly. Alright, so I'm going to take it up, then I'm going to break it apart. So it's easy to break apart. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna remove this. We call it the heart. Alright, and then the separate. So these are the seeds and the flesh as well. After you have completed the separation, you're just gonna add some water to it just to finish the process. Alright, so after doing this, then now I'm going to use my strainer just to help with the process again. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after all the juice has been extracted. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the extract juice into the blender with the carrot and the beetroot. Right? So let's blend. Alright guys, so I'm going to strain it off now. And I just love this red color. So I added some water because it was too thick and I wanted to thin it out. And then again, I have to stretch it because this will be enjoyed with my Sunday dinner. So I think that's it now. Time for some granulated sugar, and I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of that because the beetroot has its own sweetness, also the carrots, and a little sweetness from the soursop. So I'm going to add some more sugar just to pump up the sweetness a bit. So I use granulated sugar because I didn't want to change the flavor of the drink or the color of the drink. I'll be adding some ice to the glass. And if you want to add some lime juice or lemon juice to the drink, feel free to. Alright. So look at that beauty. You know I'm a mixologist, so I have to garnish with a lime. Just green for contrast. Be more creative, you can. So just look at it, guys, how beautiful this drink is. My red soursop. Alright guys, so let me taste this beautiful drink and let you know what are the flavors. Right? So our good friend Risha, she likes to taste like that. First thing I'm getting right off the bat is the sourness from the soursop. So that's why I didn't add any lime to this drink or lemon. Then I'm getting that earthiness from the beetroot, the sweetness from the sugar, and also the carrots. Guys, bear in mind, you have to strain it a lot because it comes with a lot of grain, especially the soursop. Give it a one more taste. So refreshing, so nice, well balanced. As in, you can get the hint of beetroot, the soursop, the carrot, the sweetness. Perfect combination. That's why I called it the red soursop. I've never seen a red soursop, but this is my red soursop. So if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a comment. And if you're going to try this recipe, and if you think I should add ginger or some other ingredient, comment it below, please guys. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit like. Really appreciate it. So big up on yourself. See you guys soon. Oh, and what you can also do, you can also check out my OTT drink right here, or you can subscribe right here. So see you soon.